Welcome, dear students. Subject Mathematics, Standard 4th. Topic Patterns. Students, today we are going to see new subtopic, that is number patterns. Students, tell me, what is meaning of the pattern? Yes, very good, students. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Students, tell me, what do you see in this picture? Yes, very good, students. We all must have seen the different kinds of pattern in our daily life, like a clothes, bed sheets, sari borders, and garlands, etc. Students, observe the patterns in the arrangement of different designs and shapes given on the screen. The designs and shapes have been arranged in a particular manner. Note that there is no empty space between designs and shapes. Students, observe the patterns. Curtains, window grills, and floor tiles have been arranged in particular manner. Students, you can also see that patterns repeated over and over again. Students, tell me, what is seen in this picture? Yes, very good, students. Now listen carefully, everyone. Look at the bracelet. We have a square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is called a pattern. As it is repeating itself, look, we got the pattern. Now let us try making few more patterns. Now, next example. Students, look at these flashcards. Each card has a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of the dots. Starting with a card with 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. Students, let us follow the same pattern and find the next 4 cards. Yes, very good, students. The next card will be with 6 dots. Then 7 dots. Then 8 dots. And lastly 9 dots. Students, see next picture. We can find pattern in letters too. Now observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternately. This becomes our pattern. The next letter will be letter A, then letter B, then again letter A and Lastly, letter B. Number patterns. A number pattern is a series of numbers that follow a rule. Common number patterns. Rule number 1. An arithmetic sequence can be made by adding and subtracting the same value each time. See next picture. Adding number 2. Did you know we find patterns in numbers also? Let's see how, starting with number 2, when we skip count by 2's, we get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Next picture, subtracting number 4. Observe the given pattern and write the next 4 numbers. Look at the pattern carefully. What can you observe? Correct 4 from 40? We get 36. Which is the next number? Now again on subtracting 4 from 36. We get the next number, that is 32. We see that in each step the numbers are reducing by 4. Hence, by using this number pattern, we can find the next 4 numbers. So, we get the 4 numbers as 28, 24, 20 and 16. Wasn't it fun learning about patterns? Students, see next example. Here is a number pattern. Look at the sequence of numbers. Can you guess the next number? In this number pattern, started 1 and add 2 each time. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Keep adding 2 each time. The next numbers 7 and 9. After the 9, the next number will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. This number pattern is an increasing number pattern by the rule of addition of 2. Now, next example. Here is a number pattern. In this number pattern, started 17 and subtract 3 each time. 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Keep subtracting 3 each time. Now, 11 minus 3 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. The next number will be 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. This number pattern is a decreasing number pattern by the rule of subtraction of 3. Now, let us see some example of number patterns. Look carefully at the given number series 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here the series start at 5 and add 5 each time. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Keep adding 5 each time. So 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25 and 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. But the same numbers patterns as follows another number. Rule that is to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on by 5. So this series of numbers make pattern and can be extended based on their rule like addition and subtraction, multiplication. Next example, look carefully at the given number series 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and 42. Here the series starts at 6 and add 6 each time. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. 36 plus 6 is equal to 42. But the same numbers patterns as follows another number, that is to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on by 6. So this series of numbers make pattern and can be extended based on their rule like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Students, this is your assignments. Question number 1. Complete the missing patterns. Question number 2. Identify the number pattern and fill in the missing numbers. Students, you have to do practice in your maths notebook. I hope you understood number patterns. Thank you, dear students. Keep practicing and keep learning.